a short and fun song which is called Le Marin, and it means the sailors. So the story is about welcoming sailors to party in Tahiti. So it goes like this. We start hands on the hips, and then we go up, inia, iraru. Okay, so we climb up to the boat and down. Alright, so we're here, and then it goes inia, iraru. Alright, and from there, hands on the hips, and then we go tutu e manuta. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then we pick the flower to the left, we raise up. Then we pick the flower to the right and we raise up. So it goes tutu e manuta, tiaritaina, it up and hit again. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, again. 1, 2, 3, 4. So it goes tutu e manuta, tiaritaina, tiaritaina. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and it repeats 2 times. Right? From there, we kiss to the right, we kiss to the left, we welcome the people, and we tie. We tie the boat.
Tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota, tu e maniota, tu e maniota, tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Rono me chiure tani, bahageta, sabunate. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota, tu e maniota, tu e maniota, tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Rono me chiure tani, bahageta, sabunate. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota, tu e maniota, tu e maniota, tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Rono me chiure tani, bahageta, sabunate. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota, tu e maniota, tu e maniota, tiaretaina, tiaretaina, e tu maniota. Rono me chiure tani, tu mai dirà a potamu. Rono me chiure tani, bahageta, sabunate. Rono me chiure.
Well done, I hope you enjoyed training together. Please comment below about how helpful you found this video. If you liked it, please give me a thumb up, share and subscribe to my channel. Feel free to check out my online classes. I look forward to see you soon.